Your gut bacteria are starving, and when they don't get what they need, they don't just slow down. They start turning against you. This is not a metaphor. This is happening inside your body right now. Your gut is home to trillions of bacteria, more than the number of cells in your entire body. And these bacteria control far more than digestion. They influence your mood, your energy, your immune system, even your brain. But here's the dangerous truth. When your gut environment becomes unhealthy, these bacteria stop helping you and start harming you instead. They begin damaging your gut lining, causing inflammation from within. And the symptoms? You already feel them every day. That constant bloating after meals, that unexplained fatigue in the middle of the day, that brain fog that makes simple tasks feel difficult. All of it can trace back to your gut. But the real problem is not what you think. It's not just junk food. It's not just sugar. It's something far more subtle. You never give your gut time to clean itself. Inside your body, there is a hidden cleaning mechanism. It's called the migrating motor complex, or simply MMC. Think of it as a street sweeper inside your intestines. Its job is to clear out leftover food, bacteria, and waste. But here's the rule. The cleaning crew only works when the system is empty. If you keep eating, even small snacks, the cleaning process stops instantly. And this is exactly what most people do. Breakfast, then snacks, then coffee, then more snacks. Your gut never gets a break, which means the cleaning never happens. And when cleaning stops, bacteria start building up. Food begins to ferment inside your gut. Gas, bloating, discomfort begin. In some cases, this leads to bacterial overgrowth. Your gut becomes a crowded, toxic space. But the solution is surprisingly simple. You don't need expensive supplements. You just need to create space. Leave 4 to 5 hours between meals. Avoid constant snacking. Let your gut do its natural cleaning. And when your stomach growls, that's not always hunger. That's your body cleaning itself. Now that your gut can clean, we need to fix what lives inside it. Your gut is not a battlefield. It's a garden. And bacteria are like plants. Good plants help the garden grow. Bad weeds take over everything. Most people try to fix this with probiotics, but that's like throwing seeds on concrete. If the environment isn't right, nothing will grow. The real solution is feeding your bacteria, and their favorite food is fiber. But not just any fiber. Different bacteria need different foods. That's why diversity matters. Studies show people who eat 30 different plant foods per week have the healthiest gut. This includes fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, herbs, spices. It's not about eating more. It's about eating variety. The more diverse your food, the stronger your gut ecosystem. Most people focus on what to eat, but ignore when they eat. Your body runs on a biological clock. During the day, digestion is strong and efficient. At night, everything slows down. So when you eat late, your body struggles to process food. This leads to fat storage, poor sleep, and more gut problems. The fix is simple. Stop eating 2 to 3 hours before sleep and keep your eating window within 10 to 12 hours. Even perfect food won't help. If your body is stressed, your gut is directly connected to your brain through something called the vagus nerve. This nerve controls digestion. Stress turns digestion off. Calm turns it on. So if you eat while anxious, your food doesn't digest properly. It sits, ferments, causes problems. But there's a simple fix. Before eating, take 3 slow, deep breaths. This tells your body you are safe, and digestion turns back on. Finally, the hidden threat: chemicals Antibiotics, pesticides, chlorinated water. They don't just kill bad bacteria, they kill the good ones too. Your gut becomes weak, unbalanced, vulnerable, so protect it. Wash your food, filter your water, reduce unnecessary antibiotics. Your gut is not broken, it's waiting to heal. Give it space, give it the right fuel, and it will fix itself. Your health doesn't start in the gym, it starts in your gut.